How to stop people from seeing you viewed their TikTok profile. So normally you get the notification whenever someone sees your profile, and you wouldn't want to get someone be notified if you viewed their TikTok profile. So to do that, let's go ahead and click on the profile icon at the bottom right of the TikTok app, and from here click on the 3-bar line at the top right. Let's go to settings and privacy at the bottom, and under the account section, let's go to privacy. Let's scroll down, and under interactions, usually at the very bottom part of this page, you should be able to see the profile views section. So click on that, and by default this should be turned on like this, and what we're going to do is to click on this toggle button to have it turned off and disabled. If you turn this off, you will also not be able to see who viewed your profile, but more importantly, if you view someone's profile, they will not be notified anymore. So that is how you can basically stop people from seeing you view their TikTok profile. Thanks for watching. If you found this useful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tutorials like this.